Okay, here's where I'm going to edit my test. I go up here to the layout option. Then when I scroll down to work on my spacing, I'll go right here and add some more lines in between. Doesn't appear to be saving up top. It makes the change, but it's not saving anywhere. That orange bar is not showing up here. So I'll continue to add some spacing. Okay, so I'll just start with that. Again, there's nowhere for me to push save. There's no automatic save going on up top. And then when I go to print my test booklet, and scroll down, my spacing changes I made are not saved. So I guess that's what I'm trying to find out, is where can I save these options so that I'm able to print them.